What's up, my pups? And it's raining a lot. Josh just stepped.
Yo!
And it flooded that part.
Yo!
But we live on a hill, so yeah. Yeah. Well, I'll be back. I'm gonna put on my shoes and we're gonna see the backyard. So I put on my shoes now. So far, this is literally turning into a river.
Janet, look at this! It's like a waterfall. Look at it.
And this is the backyard.
It's a pond now.
Oh no! What about our shed? Oh, that's a river now.
We're going around.
Everything is getting soggy, especially the wood. That literally turned into a waterfall. Wow. It looks like an actual waterfall, but it's mini. And it turned into this. It has only been raining for like a few hours and this happens. What? Oh no, it's wet. I must stay back now. Josh is all the way over there. Literally, waterfall. Look how pretty it looks though. But then you see that it turns into this. Like, whoa! Like, this looks like a lake that has been littered. Literally. Our backyard is now a lake. So, this happened. I don't know about our shed though, it's literally right there. So, this is not that bad, I would say, because we kind of live on a hill. But this is, like, pretty though. And I'm already getting really wet. Joshua, what are you doing? Like this? Or can we go? Come on, Joshua! You can't stay there forever. You don't even have a jacket on. Woo! Why'd you put your feet in the water? How deep is it? Like,
this is like giving me pipe of
well, no one's.
I'm not gonna go inside.
No one said it was gonna be warm water.
Okay, I'm putting another video.
As we walk through the hill, it gets bigger. But then we see this part. Like, there's so much water and made this because the rock's in the way. And this street is flooded. Like, wow. Ah! Ooh. That looks like a...
Oh, Janet, I'm gonna put my
I forgot. Literally, our street is flooded now. And the water's really cold because it's cold outside and it's fall. Jessica, don't put your feet in that.
Look at my sandal. I have to clean it somehow.
Just do this.
Bye, sandal. Shannon, bye, sandal. Bye, guys. Oh, I got stuck.
Because there's
I gotta
rocks.
Oh, Shannon, come on, look. I'm gonna try this from here. Look.
And now let's see what's going to happen to this bottle cap right here when it goes down this river. What?
Stop. Let's find out.
Okay, ready, set, go.
I thought it flipped over. It won't come back to her.
What? Okay, fine.
Where is it?
Oh no, it's going. The bottle cap, no. Go. Literally. Oh, bye bottle cap. Oh wait. Well, the bottle cap left us. Well, now my phone's wet. And my shoes. And a little bit of my socks. But it's good for the plants right here.
Jen, I'm gonna climb to the back.
Well, so far this is happening. Even this part is flooded. Well, let's go see about my window. No. So this is what it looks like from my window. Literally
The sand's too squishy.
flooded.
Like way too squishy. I think it turned into quicksand. Cause it's way too squishy.
Watch it. Take a picture of it.
Jesha, where you go? Jesha. Really, Jesha?
So the water's gonna scare me.
Then.
Okay, let's go take a trip to the backyard where I'm gonna climb. Oh, dude, it's slowing down. It's actually slowing down.
Oh, the water's kind of stopping a little.
Yeah, it's less water now.
Well, because it's probably getting
You
out.
see where Joseph's Bigfoot was. Yeah, dude, it's slowing down. The waterfalls aren't temporary. Well, what are we gonna do about this? I actually want this to stay, so.
Jesha, just leave it.
No!
It's not like all of it's gonna escape anyways. The sun's probably gonna get it.
Probably is.
Back to our pretty waterfall. Oh no, the waterfall's dying.
It stopped raining.
So it stopped raining a little. It's kind of sprinkling, but the waterfall's dying. I can't go over there.
Dang it! Give me your phone. I want to film this.
Just come over here.
It looks like a little cool water fountain.
Here. Don't drop it.
Yeah, just come over here. You can
can't.
dry your shoes in the dryer.
Jesha, I just took a shower.
Well, it's just your feet. Your feet are already dirty. I don't want to drop it, so. Take a closer look at what we have to live through. What? Yeah, I know. I left it there. It's because it literally fell out of the shed. Come on, Jen, it's so pretty. This is nature's beauty. Because I'm stupid and I don't care, I'm walking through the water. The water's really dirty. Oh!
Well, that was a close-up of this mini water. Hurry up, Jesha.
Zoom in the camera when you go over there.
Joshua, stop stepping in the quicksand.
My whole foot's stuck. I had to take off my sandals.
Get them.
Oh, it is in quicksand.
No sandals left behind.
Oh, God.
Well, we now have a lake in our backyard. You don't even have your shoes on.
On the water. Yeah, look, watch the rocks. It's gonna fall off. This is basically for science, Janet. Did you already, if you learn about erosion again, just show them this video.
Erosion. Did it?
You can feel the water pushing the rocks to the bottom. Why didn't you just come over here? Just go through the dirt.
Because look how much.
You basically see erosion here the whole time. My sandals are so tight. Yeah, look how deep it is. Okay, come here, Jenna. We're gonna show erosion. Okay, this is science. We might cut this part out of the video so we can separate it. This is science, the learning of erosion. As you see, I'm not dressed properly, but look, as the rocks get pushed by the water. As they fall straight to the ground. I'm doing human
Oh,
force.
look at this part though. That shit looks like a waterfall.
But if you add rocks, like a giant one, it'll stop all the rocks from moving. And then I'm trying not to cause a mudslide, but we will. It's gonna start breaking down the mud. Ah! I'm trying not to fall off. This is just a giant rock.
That looks like a mud.
If you add rocks, it'll start falling down. The little rocks will start going into the water and falling down. And a big rock will just stop everything from moving. It's why human enforcement comes involved.
Hey, look at this one though.
Oh, it's not rocks for that. Maybe you'll get stuck. Never mind. It's just a giant pool. Look.
Look, Joshua, look. It goes.
Oh, I just hit my hand.
It goes all. It goes all the way down. Oh no, it's moving that rock. Oh no, it's not. Look, Joshua. Oh, you made it more muddy now. Look, it goes.
Oh, you want me to
It
clean
looks.
it? It's because I giant mud rock.
Look, Joshua. It goes all the way right here, and it goes through these small rocks, and then it goes over here, and then it all goes into a giant lake or mini lake.
Hey, look at all these small rocks. Look. It wasn't muddy earlier because they had a bunch of rocks on top of the mud. But
Now the rocks fell.
It's starting to get cleaner. Oh, now it's muddy again. Oh!
Joshua, you're gonna fall in that.
Well, Janet, you can see standing. Look at my feet. Ready? Can you even see my feet anymore?
No,
Look, Janet.
I can't even climb.
It's like cool quicksand. This is probably...
Joshua, stop stepping in that. Ooh, I gotta wash my hands. Literally, Joshua, your sandals look like it's part of the mud.
Well, that one definitely is. Look how deep it goes through.
Joshua, your feet legit are just muddy. Joshua,
I got sunburn.
more like mud man.
Let's go up here. Yeah, it's probably gonna be easier for you because there's just rocks.
Okay, I don't think I can go back because I don't want to get my shoes that muddy.
Oh! Oh my goodness! My feet have sunken through.
That's just. My whole phone screen is literally wet.
Recipe Joshua's feet. Maybe good. I'm coming back.
Go get your sandals. You literally abandoned them.
Well, because
Okay, we must go back now,
I
Justin.
don't even think I can get them back. Nature already passed them. I'm gonna wash my feet.
That's not washing, that's making it more dirty.
Perfect. Get it.
Wow.
Perfect. Oh, get it. I can't even take it. Ah! Yo, all you see is Nike now. Sponsored by Nike.
No, it's not.
Hey,
Ew.
look at this one.
Just stop kicking him.
How am I supposed to do that with sandals?
I don't know. You should have just got your shoes if you said they were wet.
And I was trying. They're already in the dryer. Look at it. This is how you wash your feet. In my native country, we got water. This is Africa.
No, it's not.
They're not trying to make fun of Africa, but this is what they do. Let me wash.
Oh, Josh, it's starting to rain more.
I'm washing my hair, Janet.
We need an umbrella.
You need to take a shower.
Josh, it's raining more. Josh, we gotta go.
Where's the waterfall? It's getting bigger.
Oh no.
Rest in peace, Joshua. This is why I didn't want to bring my phone.
I think.
There's all rocks in here. Why, Janet? It's getting harder.
My hands are wet.
Look at me.
There is no point in taking a shower. Literally. Literally. I just took a shower again.
I'm gonna stay inside for a while, so.